Are you looking for simple, natural ways to improve your health and well-being? In this video series, we're diving into the world of everyday herbal remedies that are easy to use and incredibly effective. Let's start with chamomile, a go-to herb for relaxation and better sleep. Simply brew a cup of chamomile tea before bedtime to calm your mind and prepare for a restful night. It's one of the best natural home remedies for reducing stress. Ginger is another powerhouse in the world of herbal remedies. A warm ginger tea can soothe a sore throat, improve digestion, and even help with nausea. Perfect for your everyday health needs. Don't forget about aloe vera, a true natural healer. For minor burns or skin irritations, applying fresh aloe vera gel can bring quick relief. One of the simplest health natural remedies you can use. Want a quick immunity boost? Try this herbal tea blend. A pinch of turmeric, a slice of ginger, and a dash of honey in hot water. This is a classic example of everyday herbal remedies you can make at home. Natural solutions are all around us, waiting to be discovered. From soothing teas to healing gels, these natural home remedies are here to help you feel your best. Subscribe for more herbal tips. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and effective herbal remedies to support your health naturally. See you in the next video.